Hello everyone, I am Himangi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can give a new look to your side cabinet in a very simple way and in budget. So let's get started. This is the cabinet on which I will be working. You need wallpaper of your choice. Make sure if you are choosing two wallpaper, they should be complementing each other. By complementing, I mean either they should be of same color family or one wallpaper should have tinge of same color matching with second wallpaper. After deciding the placement of both wallpapers, take the measurement of the size of cabinet and cut your wallpapers as precise as you can. Now place the wallpaper after cleaning the surface of cabinet and stick it in a way that there are no bubbles formed in the process. If you find that wallpaper measurement is little bit off than what you cut previously, you can easily trim it with the help of scissor. So one point I would like to mention is that the quality of wallpaper is extremely important, as the good quality ones are easy to work with, especially if you are a first timer. In my case, quality of brown striped wallpaper is way better than the black one. Now to be honest, trimming of the wallpaper once you have stick it on the surface takes too much time. So it's always better that you take the measurement precisely to save your time. I changed the drawer knobs complementing with my wallpaper. You can keep old knobs also and give them a new look by painting it according to your wallpaper. And here is the new look of my old side cabinet. All product links are in the description box. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you soon in another video. Bye bye.